Hey guys, what's up? It's Queenie here. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you for clicking on this video. It's something a little different, but I wanted to come on here and share this with you guys. So recently I have been trying to, get things tight and snatched and together. And I wanted to share with you guys some of my tips and some of my recipes that I have been using to achieve that. I do work out a few times a week nowadays, maybe like 3 times a week, but honestly no more than that yet. So sometimes 2, honestly, but I do try for 3. Like every other day I try to work out. So along with that, obviously you have to eat properly, and these are just some of the things that I eat and try to incorporate into my diet while I'm trying to shed a few pounds. But before I get into that, I want to talk about a detox that I'm also doing while eating properly. This is not sponsored at all. This is actually just something I picked up from my health food store and I want to share with you guys. So the detox I'm doing is the Wild Rose detox. I will leave the details on the screen or down below. It's these capsules, and this helps detox your colon, your kidneys, your liver, kidney and liver. Kidneys, we have 2 kidneys, right? Anyways, it helps detox all of those things, and it also comes with these drops as well, and this helps clear up your urinary tract, I think. There's a lot of things. I will leave details so you guys can see, but with that being said, I am doing this detox and it is 12 days. So on this detox, you have to eat pretty clean, and you have to take 2 capsules from each bottle, morning and evening. So basically with your breakfast and with your dinner. So that helps kind of flush everything out of your system as you are eating all these fresh fruits and vegetables and legumes and things that'll really move through your body and nourish you at the same time. So it's avoiding carbs and processed sugars and fat and all that stuff, bad fats. So with that being said, with these pills and the healthy food, it's able to kind of help you release any excess weight that you're holding in your gut, in your colon, kind of like, people can say you can have years of poop in your stomach. It can help with that. So that already takes off a few pounds off your body, and then when it comes to fat loss, that's where the eating healthy and the working out comes in. So it does help you lose a few pounds. I don't know if it's pounds of fat, I wouldn't say, but that will also be dealt with when you're eating healthy and going to the gym regularly. I'm going to share with you guys a few of the meals that I make in this time. I hope you enjoy it. They're all really easy, and I think you can modify everything to fit your dietary needs, but this is how I kept it clean and simple the past few weeks. With that being said, enjoy this video. I hope you enjoy my little meals and inspirations, and let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. Alright, so after I've had my morning's detox pills, I like to have my breakfast right away to kind of get things moving quickly. So I am eating the Silk Coconut Yogurt today. This is probably my breakfast about 3 days out of the week. Honestly, I'm more of a sweet breakfast person than a savory breakfast person, so I like to have something with a little bit of sugar, some fruits, I don't know, something to give me some energy with a cup of tea or something. So because I'm trying to stay away from sugar completely, I am using some stevia, or you can use any other natural sugar-free, calorie-free sweetener that you like. This is what I like to use. I use about 1.5 teaspoons maybe, just to add a little bit of flavor, but the yogurt on its own is honestly okay, and the granola does have some sweetness to it, so I try not to overdo it. But because I'm so used to eating this with honey, baby steps. So I'm now pouring in some granola on top of the yogurt to give it some flavor, some crunch, and this helps fill me up a bit more because obviously granola is made with oats, and once it's in your stomach, it grows. So I'm adding in some sliced almonds for some texture and some shredded coconut for some extra texture, but they're unsweetened coconut. So that is my yogurt parfait. I don't know if this is considered a parfait, but that's that. Alright, so for lunch, I still try to keep it very simple with a soup or something like this, which is a chili with ground turkey, corn, and kidney beans and pureed tomatoes. So just plain tomatoes, no sugar or salt added in the bottle. Made it completely from scratch, and I'm using a measuring cup to see how much I want. So I usually like to eat about half a cup to a cup. Today I'm having 3/4 of a cup because I think that's the perfect amount. But yeah, and I like to add in a little bit of cracked black pepper on top of that to give us some extra I don't know if spice is the word, some extra flavor. And then I go in with some dried parsley on top of that to give it a little bit more flavor as well. So I like controlling everything that's in my food, so that's why I made it completely from scratch. That keeps it healthy, and you know how much of what to eat. Just because you know what's in it, you know I shouldn't eat too much of this, or I can eat more of this. So that's basically it. Let's move on to dinner. Okay, so for dinner, I'm making a chicken shawarma style wrap. I had this chicken marinating for 2 days in some bomb spices, no salt added, just some paprika, garlic pepper, onion powder, black pepper, just anything that will give this chicken flavor without the need of salt. So because it was marinating for so long, it filled up the chicken and it was so good, and I didn't need to add any extra salt. So I just put it on a pan and I bake it. But before I do that, I like to sprinkle on a little bit of chili flakes because I like my food spicy. It's already spicy because I put pepper in the marinade. Is it marinade? Whatever, in the spice rub. And I like to add a little bit more afterwards. So I'm also now sprinkling in some thyme, I believe, or I don't think it's parsley. I'm pretty sure it's thyme because I put that on all my chicken. And that's basically it. If you want to add something else, you can. If not, it's up to you. I just try to avoid salt and kind of add more flavor. So this is what the chicken is looking like. Yes, looks so good. So I just cut this up and then it's gonna be ready to go inside of my chicken wrap. Oh, so good. Chicken thighs are nice and juicy too. They're not as lean as chicken breast, I'm pretty sure, but I bought lean chicken thighs because they just taste so good. So that's, and they honestly taste more like shawarma meat. Okay, so let's build our wrap. So first things first, I'm gonna start off with some hummus, and I'm gonna spread about 2 tablespoons onto the wrap. And then I'll go ahead and add my lettuce, and then go in with some chickpeas. Oh wait, no, some cucumber first, and then the chickpeas. And the chickpeas are just sprinkled with some parsley. And then I like to go in with my chicken that I just cooked. I just shredded it up and put it in my wrap, and then I rolled it nice and tight. Don't be afraid to touch the food. I like to make sure it's really in there so it's secure. I stick some pins in it, and then I add a side of broccoli, and that's basically it for dinner. It's filling, it has simple ingredients, and honestly, I save so much money just making it myself, and I know exactly what's in it, so I can keep track of that. Okay, and throughout the day, if I'm feeling a little bit hungry, a snack I like to eat is roasted chickpeas or like a green apple, but this is the brand that I really like. Today, I'm having the sea salt and lime flavor. Personally, I think the lime is a little too artificial. The sea salt flavor is my favorite. So I usually pair this with a bottle of water, and I like to have that whole bottle of water with my small snack. Alright, so that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed that, and let me know if you want to see more food videos like this. I am happy to do them. 2020 abs are coming soon. I'm preparing now. You guys can see I don't have much of a stomach, but I'm still trying to tighten this up to get some abs so I don't have any, you know, squish when I sit down. But it's really not much, but I'm trying to waist train while I'm doing this and just work on my core to really tighten up my stomach. But that's basically it. Shed a few pounds, kind of shape myself up and make myself look like, you know, my dream body, because we are in control of that and we're able to do that in a very healthy way. So let me know if you're interested in seeing more food, what I eat in a day videos, and I will definitely do that for you guys. Comment down below, let me know what you think. Follow me on Instagram. I don't know where I'm gonna put it. Follow me on Instagram. Make sure you thumbs up this video. Turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any videos from me in the future, and I will see you beautiful people in the next one, maybe in a food video. Bye guys.